front of me is OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same shortcut. You can always go into settings as well, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!